Hi community, this is my new app Tokenizator. It is an app to protect sensitive data, tokenizing this data and store it in Iris SQL Cloud. So in your business storage, in your business database, you store only the tokenized data, and into Iris SQL Cloud you store original data and tokenized data, and you use a key field and the tokenized data to get the original values again in the proper moment. Okay, so to you use this app, you need to proceed with these steps. So you clone the tokenization project and do a Docker build to create the Docker microservices to microservice REST API microservices to tokenize your data. So I built my project and I will run. Now I will run. Okay. Ta-da-da. Latest. Okay, this is a Spring project. I wrote this project using Java and Spring, and suppose tokenize API to tokenize data from any application consuming this API, and the tokenized data stored in SQL, in Cloud SQL, using JDBC to connect and interact with the database. So I will test this API using Postman. And I will use this to generate tokenized data for original values. Okay, so I will go to posts. I will do a posts with body whole JSON, and I will use this sample data here. Okay. So when we'll want to change original values with asterisk star char, you will use token type stars. You can set this star's initial position and the quantity of stars to be replaced, to be tokenized. Okay, you can use IP address to tokenize real IP address. So you can choose class B, class A, B, C, D classes to generate IP address, and you can choose API IP 4 or IP6 too. Okay. You can choose token type person to generate fake data for a real person. So you can use settings. If I want persons with names in English, I use local language, and if you want names for Spanish, you can set local language ES, okay, and so on. So is a local enable. Name is person generation. If you use if address, you will tokenize address for this person too. And with mail, you will tokenize email too. Okay. So you generate person data, fake person to be the tokenized value for a real person. You can choose number to generate fake number, tokenize a number value, credit card to tokenize credit card numbers. You can choose Visa, MasterCard, MX, the main brands. You can choose hash. So the hash will tokenize a value with a hash value for this value. So and you can choose regex. That's very flexible, because you can write a complex code to generate a tokenized value to a original value. Okay. So many options to tokenize data and protect your real data in InterSystems Cloud SQL, and in your app storage, in your app database, you store only the tokenized values. So in a cyber security problem, the record will intercept only the tokenized data, fake data. So your real data will be protected in the InterSystems SQL Cloud. Okay. But now I will run this sample. This is the original values, and I will get tokenized values, fake values for this data now. Okay. You can send on a token, or you can send many tokens to be tokenized, many values to be tokenized. So the response generates a ticket. It's very important, this value, because it's used to recover the tokens. Okay, the original values for each token associated with this ticket. Okay, so it is important to store the ticket value in your business database. Okay, so we have this original value and the tokenized value using stars. The original value for IP address and the tokenized IP address. Tokenized value is for a person, okay, with address, names, birthday, and many data. So I have original value for numbers, and I have a tokenized number here. Credit card 2, this credit card now is this fake credit card. A job title now is this tokenized value. And using regex, this original value now is this new value. All these tokenized values and original data are stored in the Iris SQL Cloud SQL. Okay, I can get this data using the tickets. So I can use this query a ticket, gets query tickets, and using a ticket value. Very good. No, now you have your sensitive data in another database protected, and you can recover the data when the business need this data. Okay. This is the app. Enjoy it. Thanks.